Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making buffalo chicken fries. I'm very excited about this because I've been craving it for a while now, and I had it back at a restaurant before, but today I'm going to be putting my own twist on it. So if you want to see how I put this little snack together, just keep watching. So I started off by marinating my chicken in Louisiana Hot Sauce for pepper flakes and also half and half, and I refrigerated it for about 35 minutes. Now I'm going to take my marinated chicken and I'm going to coat it in cornstarch, and that's going to make sure that my chicken is nice and crispy. So before I fry my chicken, I'm going to coat it in the cornstarch and flour mixture. And when you're frying, you always want to make sure that your temperature is on medium. You don't want your heat up too high because that's how you end up with burnt chicken on the outside and not done chicken on the inside. And while my chicken is frying, I'm going to start to prepare my fries. I personally use grilled potatoes to make french fries, but you can always buy the frozen bag. That's just not my preference. Now you're going to see me coat my fries in olive oil, Himalayan pink salt, garlic pepper, ranch seasoning, and also cornstarch to give it that crunch. And now I'm going to make the sauce for my chicken, and to do that I'm going to be using my creamy ranch buffalo sauce, Louisiana hot sauce, and cayenne pepper. And now with the leftover wing sauce, I'm going to also make a topping for my fries, and I'm going to do that by using half and half, Louisiana hot sauce, and ranch seasoning. So now that everything is all done, I'm just going to place everything. So I'm going to start by seasoning my fries with Parmesan cheese and Feta cheese and Himalayan salt. Make sure that you break apart the Feta cheese because it comes very thick. So just make sure you evenly distribute it throughout your fries. Creamy, spicy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please tag me if you recreate this, and like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these.